In how many ways we can arrange a group of six friends wherein two of them will always be together? Now, there are six friends. Let's assume the friends to be A, B, C, D, E, and F. So these are the six friends wherein two of them will always be together. Let's assume that A and B should always be together. So we are assuming AB as one group, as one entity, and the remaining four friends. So 4 plus 1, that is, we have five entities to be arranged in a linear way. So therefore, it will become 5 factorial. And these AB can be arranged amongst themselves in 2 factorial ways. So answer will be 2 into 5 factorial. That is option B.